let's go. Let's go. Do it. Get out! Get out! Get out!
Today's January 5th, 2024, in Brevard County, Florida, a traffic stop escalated into a window breach, a DUI arrest, and the discovery of a bladed weapon and drug paraphernalia.
Miss Kelly, I need you to open the window. Miss Kelly.
Yes, officer.
Can you roll down the window for me, Miss Kelly? You remember me?
No, sir.
Huh?
No.
I was the one that dealt with you a couple times.
What do you mean?
Huh? What?
You were asking me to move the clip.
Yes. So the reason why I'm stopping you, obviously the windshield's not able to be driven like this, okay? So do you have your driver's license with you?
I wasn't driving.
Yes, ma'am, you were. I watched you. I actually also watched you get from the driver's seat to the passenger seat.
My boyfriend, because he drove the car.
Yes, I know your boyfriend. I watched you get from the driver's seat to the passenger seat. Okay.
So I call my boyfriend.
Ma'am.
Please call my boyfriend, please.
Where's he? Where is he?
He's at work.
Where's he work? Calm down. I'm not arguing with you. Where's he at?
Jazzy's.
He's at Jazzy's? So you're saying he was driving, but he was at Jazzy's?
I'll never call my boyfriend.
Okay. Do not. No. Miss Kelly, this is not going to go well, okay? I need you to open the window. Miss Kelly, I need you to lower down the window. What? What happened? Okay, I'm not playing this game. So I stop her.
Yeah.
Because I watched her pull out of dancers, and I know she doesn't have a DL.
Okay.
Okay? Also, the windshields are atrocious.
Okay.
Okay, and they've been stopped for it many times and say they're gonna fix it, gonna fix it, gonna fix it.
Okay.
As I'm pulling up behind her, and I'm gonna originally go that way.
Who's still left in the vehicle?
That's Kelly. She's the only person in there. She switched over from the driver's seat to the passenger seat. I tried. She locked the door on me, and I'm about to punch the window if she doesn't get out the car.
Hey, Kelly. Hey. Okay. Hey, Kelly. You need to open up or we're going to break the window. Open up or we're going to break the window. Hey. Can you open the door, please? You're not in any trouble, okay? I just need to get you out. You're all right. Yeah, stay there. Don't turn the car on. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Do it. Get out! Get out! Get out! Yep, good. Back up. Yep, gotcha. You okay? Yep. Are you good? Yep. You good? Good. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Miss Kelly, we gotta get up. You gotta get up. Oh, Miss Kelly.
54. Glasses are broken.
Okay, Miss Kelly. So have a seat in the chair, Miss Kelly.
Alrighty.
All you had to do is open the window, ma'am. That's all you had to do. This all could have been avoided.
Is she cut?
Yeah, she's got some cuts on her legs. She was in the passenger seat. She got back in the driver's seat, started the car, and was about to pull off. So that's how you smash it.
Yeah, window smash and withdrawal before she fled.
Absolutely.
Lawful order to get out, everything.
Absolutely.
All right.
We give her ample opportunity.
What?
Hey, Kelly, do you want some water?
Constitutionally valid on 3 independent grounds. A cracked windshield violating Florida Statute Section 316.61, a known suspended license under Section 322.34, and the officer's direct observation of the seat switch maneuver. Under Terry v. Ohio, reasonable articulable suspicion requires specific articulable facts, not hunches. All three elements here were documented, contemporaneous, and independent. This is a textbook lawful stop. Once the stop was initiated, Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 434 U.S., 106 controls. The Supreme Court held that ordering an occupant out of a vehicle during any lawful traffic stop is per se reasonable. Compliance is not optional. Refusal does not create a legal defense. It creates additional criminal exposure. After repeated non-compliance and the subject restarting the vehicle, the window breach falls squarely within Graham versus Connor's three-factor reasonableness test. Severity of the offense: suspended license, potential DUI, active resistance, locked doors, engine on, flight risk, vehicle in motion. All three factors satisfied. Force was proportionate. On the DUI track, a visible six-pack odor of alcohol and erratic behavior established probable cause under Florida Statute 316.193. Blood draw consent must follow Birchfield versus North Dakota. Warrantless blood draws require either a valid warrant or voluntary consent. Refusal triggers implied consent penalties under Florida Statute 316.1932, but it does not authorize a warrantless draw. The sword and drug paraphernalia found post-arrest were in plain view within the subject's reach. Under Horton versus California, 496 U.S., 128. Officers lawfully present at a location who observe contraband in plain view may seize it without an additional warrant. No search required. The evidence stands. The ketamine sedation discussion by EMS falls under Florida pre-hospital treatment protocols. This is a medical decision under physician authorization, not a law enforcement decision. Its documentation on Bodycam is consistent with transparency standards. However, conducting this discussion within earshot of the subject creates unnecessary civil liability exposure.
I punched the right side window, so I saw her come out of Dancer's parking lot, and I saw the windshield, so I was going to flip around and stop her. Then she pulled in here, and I saw someone flip over to the passenger side. So I
Does
flipped.
she have a valid license?
To my knowledge, no, because every single time I stopped out with her, it's been suspended. So she's going.
Good.
Yeah.
And then she pulls into here, hops to the passenger seat. I come up to the side, she's already crying. She's already bawling her eyes out. I say, hey, what's going on? And she's saying that she wasn't driving, her boyfriend was driving.
Go ahead, 87.
Hey, I get it. What else? As we're trying to get her out, she noticed that we were going to get her out. Anything else physically hurt on you? At that point, you know. Anything else?
I don't want to talk. I want to be left alone.
Showing inmate release status, reference battery on a Leo.
10-4.
All right, gentlemen. Refused to get out of the car, smashed the window, dragged her out.
Okay.
She has a couple bleeding cuts throughout her leg.
Okay.
You can just
From the
check her
glass?
out. Yes, sir.
right.
Okay, please, sir.
All right.
That's the only thing I can
Other than
think
that, we're good. I'm not going to risk getting kids trying to look at her feet. I don't see enough blood to be worried.
Is there any way that we could bandage it up? Because, well, we got to...
We got to get her med cleared anyway.
I'm going to take her to the hospital anyway.
Yeah.
Do you have like a booty that you could put on her?
I'm out of plastic bags.
Booties! You need the booties! You need the booties! All of you need the booties!
Calm down.
Hey, Q.
I need...
It's gonna be DUI too. You see, there's 6-pack
Clean the floor.
Of the beer?
Yeah. I mean,
She's not going to cooperate with the exercises. I already know it.
I would see she would consent to blood, and then you can charge her with that too.
So just for the blood? Just for the blood?
We'll just
Okay, see if she would consent to blood.
There's not a cell of your car, so you
She's got to go to the hospital anyway.
Yeah.
So see if she'll get blood.
There's a whole 6-pack in the passenger.
I'm plugging out for my
She has a
vagina.
six-pack.
But it's how I do. I'm plugging out my vagina when you're trying to get
She's
you
always
out
like
the
this.
jugular.
Yeah, but I'm smelling alcohol.
It's right there.
There's a whole 6-pack of Budweiser in the passenger seat. She was sitting.
She's intoxicated. It's a DUI investigation.
Okay. I know I'll see if she'll want to do fields. I doubt it.
Okay. You don't want me to look at them?
Well, then if she's a refusal, then she's a refusal.
Okay.
It's really a pocket knife in my vagina.
Cut up. Stand by.
Thank you. I really don't want to get set up on charges.
Huh?
I'm a different kind of female.
What happened?
I keep a pocket knife in my vagina.
Why?
Because I can.
That's not safe.
I don't give a Y'all are insane.
Miss Kelly, can you look at me for a second?
No.
Why not?
I really don't want to look at you. I want to look at him.
Who do you want to look at? Him?
Him.
You want to look at one of them? Can you look at one of them then?
I'll touch you right in the dick one time. You know, I'll still get you to death.
Miss Kelly, do you remember me?
Pretty sure I do.
Okay. Am I mean to you right now?
Doesn't matter if you're mean or nice.
Okay. Miss Kelly.
I'm packing up my vagina to get it out because I don't want to get extra charged.
We're going to talk about it in a second, okay? Miss Kelly, can you just look at me for 1 second?
I just want this guy away from me before I use it on him.
Who?
I bet you I can. Don't even try me.
She's under arrest. She has injuries. She's going to fight us tooth and nail. We got to get her up to the hospital for medical clearance regardless.
Hey, if I drop her with ketamine, will you put her in the back with the cop?
Yeah.
You're good with it. I'll stick her in the arm with ketamine, take 2-3 minutes. She'll calm down enough that we can just put her on stretcher. If you guys are willing to put someone in the back of the ambulance, they'll transport her.
Okay.
All right.
I'm just thinking because if she's already telling us she's going to fight and everything.
Yeah.
Said she has a pocket knife in her
Yeah, she said she'll cut me in the jugular if she can
She's
get
going
to
to
it.
punch me in the face, so.
Yeah.
All right, let me get the drugs.
You ready to stand up?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, I'm gonna get in the back of your car. Jeez. Yep, absolutely. Okay, we're gonna go right in the back of this car, okay? Just watch your step. Watch your step. Watch your step. Watch your step. Okay. Watch your step. Okay? Here. I'm gonna go and put your seatbelt on, okay? Alright, just relax. Relax. I'm gonna make sure he turns on the AC for you, okay? Alright. So right behind the beer, there's a damn sword right there. I'm waiting till so I've got, it looks like paraphernalia in plain sight. Oh, that's real. That's got an edge.
Woo! You guys good?
Yeah.
All right, boys.
Thanks, brother. Appreciate you. I'm assuming there's going to be plenty of drug paraphernalia in here too. It's just the one hitters. Looks like some residue.
Miss Kelly receives a D. The seat switch was observed in real time. Her alibi was self-refuting within seconds. Locking the doors converted a traffic infraction into an obstruction charge under Florida statute 843.02. Restarting the vehicle elevated the force threshold herself. Her verbal threats, captured on Bodycam, are admissible party admissions under Florida Evidence Rule 90.803. Every decision made the legal situation worse. Lessons from this incident. Second, self-defeating alibis are worse than silence. The Fifth Amendment right to remain silent exists precisely for moments like this. Use it. Third, for law enforcement, Miranda gaps on Bodycam are a prosecutorial liability, not just a procedural formality. Document every advisement on camera with acknowledgement from the subject. Fourth, chemical sedation discussions should occur outside the subject's hearing and be formally documented in the medical run report, not captured informally on Bodycam. One civil lawsuit citing that footage costs more than the protocol adjustment. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to analyze in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.